Can you wash Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be answering the question, can you wash Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine? If you've been wondering about the best way to clean your favorite pair of Skechers with memory foam insoles, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in and find out if it's safe to toss them in the washing machine or if there's a better way to clean them.
Washing Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine.
Skechers memory foam shoes can be incredibly comfortable, and it's natural to want to keep them clean and fresh. However, when it comes to cleaning them, it is generally not recommended to wash Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine. Memory foam is a delicate material that can lose its shape and cushioning properties if subjected to rough treatment in a washing machine. The washing machine's agitation and the tumbling motion can cause the memory foam to break down or lose its support, leading to a less comfortable shoe. Additionally, the excess moisture and heat generated in the washing machine can damage the glue holding the shoe together or even cause the shoes to shrink or warp.
How to clean Skechers memory foam shoes properly.
Instead of using a washing machine, it is best to clean Skechers memory foam shoes by hand. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you clean them properly. 1. Start by removing any loose dirt or debris from the shoes. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently brush away the dirt. 2. Create a cleaning solution by mixing a small amount of mild detergent with warm water. Be sure to use a mild detergent that won't be too harsh on the materials. 3. Dip a clean cloth or sponge into the cleaning solution and wring out any excess liquid. You want the cloth to be damp, not soaking wet. 4. Gently scrub the surface of the shoes using the damp cloth or sponge. Be careful not to scrub too hard or aggressively as it may damage the memory foam or the shoe's exterior. 5. Once you've cleaned the entire surface, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any soap residue. 6. Allow the shoes to air dry in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Avoid using a dryer or heater to speed up the drying process as it can damage the memory foam or cause the shoes to shrink.
Additional tips for maintaining Skechers memory foam shoes.
To keep your Skechers memory foam shoes in great condition for as long as possible, here are some additional tips to consider. Regularly brush off dirt and debris from the shoes after each use to prevent it from accumulating and becoming harder to clean. If your shoes have a removable insole, take it out and clean it separately following the instructions provided by Skechers. This allows for a more thorough cleaning and ensures that the insole dries properly. Avoid exposing your Skechers memory foam shoes to excessive heat or direct sunlight, as this can cause the materials to deteriorate or discolor. Consider using a stain and water repellent spray specifically designed for shoes to provide an extra layer of protection against stains and moisture. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to keep your Skechers memory foam shoes looking clean and feeling comfortable for a long time. So, to answer the question, can you wash Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine? It is generally not recommended to do so. Instead, opt for cleaning them by hand using a mild detergent and water. Remember,